Hello everyone, welcome to another Q&A section. Today's question is a common one I have been receiving. A lot of people have been asking question if they can be able to use ChatGPT, that is AI tools, to write novel or story for web novel site that I have introduced in my previous video. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it now. Before I start, I would like you to do one thing for me. Give this video a thumbs up, that is, like this video, then subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel, because you are always welcome to this wonderful channel of my one in a million channel of my welcome. So let's go into details. In a bold affirmation, the answer is yes, but here is the catch. Only if you know what you are doing or what you are looking for. If you know what you are doing or what you are looking for, you can be able to use AI to write your stories. I will go into details. I used to believe that AI couldn't maintain the structure of ideas for a novel, but after some research that I made so far, I discovered that many top authors are using AI to sharpen their ideas. That is the key. Knowing what you are doing. If you know what you are doing, you can be able to use AI to write. For example, now, if you go to Good Novel or Letter Locks and you notice the flow of their writings, you can be able to direct your AI to do the same. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a channel that you are going to look out for if you want to be among the AI authors. Okay, here is the tips now. If you are considering using AI for your writings, I will advise you to use it wisely. Okay, learn what I call prompt engineering. It is very important that you learn prompt engineering. Okay, since many web novel sites are non-English speaking writers and also their audiences, many of their audiences, so I will advise you that you do your communication, that is, you write as if you are communicating with a 3 to 5-year-old child. Okay, just keep it simple. Avoid big grammar. I underline that part. Avoid big grammar. Okay, remember, these sites may reject stories that appear AI generated. Even if you write it yourself using a complex language, to tell you the truth, it can also lead to rejection. As long as you are using BB grammar, they will see it as AI generated content. So this is where you are going to get your resource if you want to know how to write your novels using AI. I would like you to check out this site, Nerd Novelist, on YouTube. He teaches how to write novels with AI, and I believe that it is going to provide you with useful insights. But here is my advice for you to get prepared in what you are going to see while using AI. Before experimenting with AI, read books. I said again, read books to understand the flow of acceptable novels or stories on the popular site. If you don't read books, if you don't read stories in those sites, you are going to be getting rejected because you don't know the flow of the novels there. So AI can generate something beautiful, and other times they can generate nonsense based on what you prompt them to do. Writing novels is different, far different from non-fiction, so take your time to grasp the nuance. Okay, and another thing is that AI is a powerful tool, but it requires learning how to use it effectively. Do not rush it. Calm down and learn first before implementation. If you don't learn, you are not going to get anything. Lastly, using AI unnecessarily can lead to your account being blocked. Be mindful of how and when you employ AI in your writing process. Okay, and another thing I want to tell you is that this video might not follow a specific flow, but if you stick with it till the end, you will find value, especially if you are struggling to learn how to write using AI. Okay, if you want to learn how to write with AI, if you want to be among the AI authors, I will advise you to go and check that YouTube channel of Nerdy Novelist, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Thank you for joining today's Q&A section. That is question and answer section. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy writing. Bye bye.